Hello, trading is closed on July 26, 2018. Yesterday we said there was a good chance of a gap down. We said if it happened we had some targets. We never came anywhere close. So we just have to add these to the list. What happens when you have a whole bunch of failed targets like this? As I've said before, about every 6 months I get a whole bunch of these, up to 10, but just don't print when you want them to. And all I can say is if you wait long enough, I can't say how long is long enough, but if you wait long enough, these numbers eventually print. Now you saw yesterday we had one that printed from February 1st. I don't know if we're going to have to wait that long, but in 16 plus years of the system, I only have big clusters like this and a consolidation like this, which lasts forever. So we'll just keep this in mind. During the day, we had an ultimate sell signal that's been satisfied. System said that drop would retrace, and it did, so nothing much from that. Didn't have much time to look at the market today. I'm still recovering from my accident in March. I was at the doctor's most of the day, and next few weeks I'm going to have a few more days where I'm just going to be busy all day long. Let's say this, usually when there's a hole in the wall gap, usually the gap fills pretty quickly and you find resistance over it. Doesn't have to be tomorrow, so one possibility, but not a certainty, is that we gap up, overtake this high, and then reverse. It's one possibility. The other possibility is we drop sharply at the open. I'm not calling for that, but you could call this an Adam and Eve top, and if that's what it is, and this breaks, it can lead to a significant drop. And the last possibility, probably the most common one, we have a pattern with an early low and a late high, tends to rally throughout the day, close near the high. It's a particularly strong tendency on a Friday. So, although we have resistance here, and we have support here, which has been challenged many times, making it hard to call tomorrow's pattern without knowing how we open. I think regardless of how we open, we're going to have a pattern with an early low and a late high and a tendency to rally. It's a tendency and not a certainty, and as always, a strong gap in either direction can change the call before the open. Not too specific for tomorrow, but we look for the early low and the late high, and that's today's call.